Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Uncovered. My name is Antonio and today we're walking you through the Etoro platform. If you're new to the channel, our goal is to help you understand the basics of crypto and to get started on your investments. The information on this video is not financial advice, it is not paid advertisement, and should be taken for entertainment purposes only. So, to get you started into investing in cryptocurrencies, you need to have access to an exchange or broker, and Etoro is one of them. If you're interested in other brokers and how to compare them, we have another video about different brokers and how to get started investing in cryptocurrencies. Just have a look at the channel. Etoro is one of the brokers that I use, so I thought I'd help you get started and how to use the platform. To get started with the Etoro, there's a link on the description. It is an affiliate link and you'll be helping the channel. So go ahead and click on the link. It's going to open a page, as you can see, the Etoro page. Etoro has a multi-asset platform, so you'll be able to invest in stocks, ETF, cryptocurrencies, and CFDs. Then, if you want to join, on the top right corner, you can see the Join Now button. And all you have to do is click there. It will take you to the Create Account page. And it's very straightforward. Just create your username, password, and put an email. With Etoro, just be very careful when you're filling out your details. Make sure the name is exactly as you have in your documents, and make sure that you have a bill or some document that will prove your residency with the same name, because they're very, very strict with their validation part of the account. You will not be able to deposit money if they don't validate your account, and depending on the validation process, you will not be able to withdraw money as well. So just be very careful with this. If you have all your documents in order, there shouldn't be any problems. Alright guys, so if you have signed up and logged in, this is what the platform is going to look like. On the top left, you can see it's a virtual account. Then I have a real portfolio and virtual portfolio. What I'm showing you now is not my real money. You have this great option with Etoro. It's a great feature where you can just switch to virtual. They give you $2,000 worth of fake money, and you can just pretend that you're buying and selling using all the features as if it was the market, but you're not actually using your money or losing your real money. Obviously, if you make money, you're not making any as well. So just use the features for a little while until you get comfortable with the platform, and then swap to your real account so you can actually do some real investing. On the bottom left, you can see a huge button, Deposit Funds. Whenever you're ready to deposit, you can click on that. It's very user-friendly. You can see it's just the amount of money, a few currencies that are available to deposit, and then you have the methods of payment: credit card, PayPal, escrow, Neteller, and bank transfers. You can, once you're ready, just continue. It's very straightforward. As if you're buying anything else with PayPal, we'll take you to their website, and with a credit card, we'll take you to some charging form where you have to put your details. Very, very straightforward. Then you come back to the watch list. This is my watch list. You can see the crypto market is dropping right now. Maybe a chance to buy. Who knows? It's not financial advice. I normally tend to buy on the way down and try to sell some on the way up. Easier said than done, but this is the theory at least. Once you open your account, you probably would not have a watch list, so I'm going to just swap to a clear version of it. You go to Crypto Uncovered, you can come down the watch list, come down the menu, and you can click on Create New List, and then you just name the list, and you're going to have a stock list like I have right now with nothing on it. There's two things that you can add. You can discover people. Either you can add your friends if you want to monitor, if you're trying to compare with each other, or you can add other people that you want to copy. With eToro, you have the feature where you can copy other traders. So if you don't want to make the investment decisions yourself and you just want to bank on someone making money for you, go ahead, you can add them and copy. They'll give you the instructions on their bio how to copy them and how much to copy, because there's a few differences with the amount you should invest and copy on the different investors. And then you can go ahead on the top and add markets. I'm here to teach you how to invest for yourself. So we're going to go ahead and click there. There's many options here, as you can see: stocks, indices, ETFs, currencies, and crypto. Go ahead and click on crypto. And then if you want to buy the actual coins, you just click on the coins directly. And then you can choose which ones you want to add. They have about 20 or so currencies or coins, so you can choose which ones you want. I'm just going to go ahead and add Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP. This is just randomly chosen. It does not mean that I want to invest on them. You can see the pop-up. The XRP has been added to my watch list, and then that's what you have here. If you go ahead and click on XRP, it will take you to the feed. It's basically like a social platform. I'm not going to scroll down and show you members commenting. I don't want to get the comments and them exposed. So I'm just going to leave it with the Etoro team. It's just a standard announcement. Basically, they just added yesterday Chainlink and Uniswap to the platform, so you'll be able to buy them. Here you have on top, you see highlighted in blue feed. That's when you go scroll down and you can see what other people are commenting. You have the stats for the coin. You can scroll down and see how the coin's been developing in price. The 1-year return for XRP so far is 613%. That's quite a lot. And if you move along to the other part, is the charts. Again, it's just a standard candlestick chart. If you're not familiar with charting, it's called candlestick just because of the way the candles look. They look like a little candle. The green candles means the price went up, and the red candle means the price is going down. And then you have research, where they show you some technical analysis. I wouldn't read too much into this unless you have a clear strategy. It just says hold and buy for a few technical indicators. But I normally don't really look at these. I have my own strategy. So going back to your watch list, then you have the percentage change. You can see the price for XRP now is dropping 0.0068, and the actual price right now, if you would sell, is at 134.54, and if you want to buy, is 138.05. All right, the difference between the sell and the buy price, this is the spread, and this is what you pay eToro. They don't charge you anything for your trades, but they charge you a spread. So the actual price is probably somewhere in the middle, around 35, 36, and you pay a spread for you to sell, and you pay a spread for you to buy, just like any money exchange. When you go change your dollars for euros, if you want to sell the dollars, they're going to give you less euros than the market price, right? So and you can see the sell buttons are grayed out because I'm on eToro UK, and in the UK you're not allowed to short sell the market in terms of crypto. If you want to short sell the market, you don't know what that means. That means you sell the currency first, so you're expecting the price to go down so you can buy the currency later when you close your trade, right? And then you have the buy, which is you can see it's in blue. You can click on it. They will allow you to buy the currency traditionally, and then when you close your position, you sell, hopefully at a higher price so you can make a profit, right? So let's go ahead and click on buy XRP. Now make sure with eToro, there's not a problem with the UK version, but if you're in Australia, I used to be in Australia, you have the option to buy and sell. You have to make sure that it says buy XRP on the top, and if there is a button to sell or buy, make sure you click on the buy button, right? And then it's very straightforward. You put the amount that you want to buy. Let's put $200. Just type it in. It'll tell you how many units you will get, and you go ahead and open the trade, right? In the bottom, in the blue button. You also have the option to create an order. An order is exactly as you can see here. You can just choose the rate that you want. Now XRP, to buy XRP is at 1.38. So let's say I want to buy at 1.35. I can go ahead and put 135, and then on the bottom you can see set order. And it's as simple as that. You have a sell order. Just bear in mind that if the price never goes down to 135 and it starts going up, you might lose the opportunity to make money on XRP or any other currency. So it's something that if you have a strategy, make sure that you're very comfortable with these features, and you'll be able to set your orders accordingly. I'm going to go ahead and close that. And that's pretty much it for the introduction for eToro platform. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. I don't want to make it too long, so if you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to Crypto Uncovered. It's been a pleasure to host you today. Go ahead and click the like button if you can. It will help other people see this video as well. and learn just like you. And thank you and see you on the next video.